Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am so excited today, you guys. Like, it's the last day of January and I have worked out every single day this month. I started in December, so I'm like at like day 45 or 46, somewhere up in there, but I worked out the whole entire month of January and I'm so stoked about that. Like, I'm so proud of myself. So here's to New Year's resolutions. I'm hoping that I continue moving forward, although I haven't worked out today yet, but hopefully once I record this video I can edit it at the gym. Y'all know I edit on my phone. It's easy for me because I can do it whenever, you know. I don't have to have a laptop in front of me or whatever, or a computer in front of me, and so it's all cardio day, so I'll be able to edit this video while I'm over there. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely make sure you take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. Last but not least, don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never ever miss out on the video. So for today, my goal is 18 offers for $5, and I do not know if I'm gonna hit this. I was watching Miss Danielle this morning and she didn't hit her bonus. I don't even think I'm gonna hit my bonus. I'm gonna try though, as long as I don't overspend. Like, I'm not trying to overspend to hit a bonus, and I tell y'all that. Don't overspend just to get that back, that extra $5, because why you gonna overspend by like $10 to get back $5? It don't make it make sense. Make it make sense, y'all. And so if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. So for today, I want to try out the P&G offers. In my Q&A that I just posted, a few of you guys are asking me, have I tried those offers yet? And I actually haven't. And so I'm going to try one today to kind of, you know, get my feet wet, see how it works out for me. But so far, I logged into my P&G Good Everyday account and I loaded an offer to my, I loaded it, so it sent it to my phone. So when I'm ready to check out, I'll click that I'm ready and it should produce a barcode, I assume, or of sorts, and I scan that and it should deduct the coupon amount. So we're gonna see how that works out today. Other than that, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys, so this first offer is on the Starry. There is a free offer when you text free Starry to 81234. Now I was watching Sister Saving You since this morning and they tried the 2-liter to see if that would work. I'm kind of low-key tempted to try that one. This one is $2.28. I'll run over and see how much the 2-liter is here and maybe give it a try and see if it works. If not, I can always come back and grab this one. The 2-liter Starries are priced at $168, so I'm gonna try this for the text offer and see if it works. Again, if not, then I'll just come back and I'll just buy the other one, but at least it only cost me $168. And so this next two is on the Best Foods, our Hellman's. In my area, it's Best Foods. It's on the vegan one. It's priced at $4.38. This is the 11.5 ounce, the squeezable one. I was actually looking for the larger one down there because those are always a much better deal. This one you're just paying for the convenience, I guess, of it all, right? So I'm gonna grab one anyways, priced at $4.38, getting back $8 on Ibotta. Now there's also $2 on Shop Me and Alexa, Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox to Die as well. And then I also have an offer on Fetch Reward for $1. I'm bringing this down to a $2.38 moneymaker. Okay, and of course I'm grabbing the Taco Bell seasonings again. This is just a really easy deal. They're priced at 82 cents. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You could grab up one. You could grab one if you want. I've just been grabbing 2 since it's a much better deal in my opinion. It's something I'm going to grab anyways, and so I might as well get a deal on it. So 2 is going to cost me $1.64, getting back 20 cents on Ibotta, and then 128 points on My Points, which is 80 cents. Brings these down to only 32 cents each. And next up is the Cheetos mac and cheese. It's still on rollback for me. It's priced at $1.12, getting back 30 cents on Ibotta, bringing that down to 82 cents. This next deal is on the Body Armor energy drinks, our sports drinks. These primes are on the wrong spot. There's 2 here, but the one you want to get is the sugar-free one, priced at $1.28, getting back $1 on Shop Me. Now I was gonna scan different flavors because when I was checking at home, none of them seemed to be working for the sugar-free one. And so if I do happen to find one, I'll check I'll check the end caps, maybe check the refrigerators up front. I might find some of the single bottles up there, and if anything, I'll have to put a ticket in. So it makes it 28 cents after Shopmium. And now the offer is also on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, and Tada Alexa as well, making that a small money. All right, so while I'm over here on the soda aisle, I'm gonna do this deal again on the C4 energy drink. It's priced at $2.46. These are still in the wrong spot. They're supposed to be over there, like right here. And so they're priced at $2.46. You want to grab one, getting back $1 when I bought it. Now this is my second time, so I'll get back a 25-cent bonus as well. And then there's a free offer. Don't send me a link yet, or a text yet. So I'll have a link for you if you haven't did it. I think I did this probably forever ago though. So I'm gonna see what happens with that. Hopefully if I get that and that works out, it'll end up being like $1.25 moneymaker. And of course we're grabbing the Oikos triple zero sugar. It's priced at $1.18. I'm gonna grab one of them, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making that only 68 cents. While we're over here, we're also gonna be getting the Too Good drinkable yogurt priced at $1.42 for this. We're gonna grab two. We'll pay $2.84, getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Alexa and inbox salads as well, making both of them free, plus a 16-cent moneymaker. All right, next up is going to be the Pedialyte. I'm doing this deal again. I'm grabbing the freezer pops. They're priced at $4.98. So there's an offer for these, you guys. I signed up, but I still haven't gotten the free offer yet. It would make it like free, right? And then there's also $3 back on Ibotta, and then $2 on Alexa. I also have $2 on inbox salads as well. Would make it like a really, really awesome moneymaker. But since I haven't gotten the free offer yet, it's just going to be a $2.02 moneymaker, which is still definitely not bad. And of course, there's the Purina Beneful Incredibites, still on rollback for $1.28. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. It's gonna make this 78 cents. Next to is on the Febreze air fresheners. I did find this one here was like tucked in the back behind here. For $2.25, getting back $2.30 on Ibotta makes this a 5-cent moneymaker. Now I'm gonna check up there and see if I can find another one. If I can, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one for Walmart cash as well. And so, all right guys, so this next deal is on the Airwick. We got a offer on Ibotta for $7 when you buy two. They do have a lot on clearance. A lot of the faucets are on clearance and stuff. I do see this one down here, priced at $5.50. So you want to grab two of them, you'll pay $11. Getting back $7 on Ibotta. There's also $7 on Shopmium, $7 on Swagbucks as well, making that a $10 moneymaker. I'm gonna scan a few other ones and see if I can find one that's a little cheaper than that, though. They did have the linen one down here. This is the one that comes with one of the warmers. It's the one kind of like this. It has the 2 refills in the warmer for $3, but it's the linen one though, but they don't have any. But I'm gonna keep looking and see if I can find something cheaper than the $5. Next deal is gonna be on the Dawn Easy Squeeze. So I guess there's 3 ways of doing this deal. You could grab this one here, which is $2.98, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. It would make that what, $2.48? There's also this one right here, which is a larger one, priced at $4.44. You could use this $3 printable right here from the P&G website. You end up paying $1.44 and then getting back 80 cents on Fetch Reward. Would make that 64 cents. I believe the Fetch excludes the smaller one here. And then the other option would be to grab this one here, priced at $3.94. Uses $3 printable. You'll pay 94 cents and get back 80 cents on Fetch. It'll make it 14 cents. Now the Ibotta offer does exclude the use of a coupon, so it's kind of an either or. I figure I'd rather use this $3 coupon than the 50-cent offer on Ibotta, to be honest. And so this next deal is going to be on the Clean and Clear. Now I've already did this deal for Ibotta. However, I do still have it for Walmart cash. This particular one right here is shelf price for $5.97, but the online price is $4.97. So if you can price match the online price for that, it would be a much better deal. You could get back the $2.50 on for Walmart cash, You would also get back $2.50 on Alexa, and it's also on, I want to say it still should be on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Artada as well. It would make that like a $2.50 moneymaker. Now, if you can't price match that one up there, they also have this one down here, which is priced at $5.67. So it still would make that a nice moneymaker as well. Okay, the other thing over here that you could grab would be on the Neutrogena Clean Pour. It's priced at $6.77. And for that, you're going to be getting back $4 on Alexa. There's also 680 points on My Points, which is $4.27, making a $1.50 moneymaker. All right, the last thing over here is the Olay. I'm not going to grab this today because I'm kind of low-key hoping that Ibotta will hit us with a bonus. You got it? I'm hoping that Ibotta will hit us with a bonus, so I'm going to hold off on this. But the Olay Night Cream, it's priced at $7.94. It is still working. Two of them is going to be $15.88. Back $10 on Ibotta. We'll make them $2.94 each. Again, I'm going to hold off on this. We're going to sit back, see if Ibotta hits us with a bonus, making it an even better. Alright guys, so the KY popped up on Ibotta. I was like, ooh, KY. Okay, it's priced at $4.68. You want to grab one, getting back $3 on Ibotta. I also have $3 on Inbox dollars as well, making that a $1.32 money maker. So the next deal is going to be on my Colgate. This store only has one of the Max Fresh, which is what I was going to get. If you can find 3 of those at $3.12, you would pay $9.36, getting back 5 on Ibotta. There's also 5 on ShopMium as well, and then 850 points on My Points, which is $5.34, making that a $5.98 moneymaker. Now, you could also grab the Max Freshes down here as well. That would work. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to grab the Colgate Kids. I did see that this one's working as well. It's scanning for Ibotta as well as ShopMium. They're priced at $2.94. I'm always down for getting more kids toothpaste, especially because, you know, Josiah and stuff, and I'm really trying to, you know, encourage him more to brush his teeth, and we can't be running out of toothpaste, you know what I mean? And so I'm going to grab a total of 3 of these, again, priced at $2.94. You'll end up paying $8.82, getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on ShopMium. Again, 850 points on My Points, which is $5.34, making that a $6.52. So this next deal I'm gonna do is on the Always Discreet. It's on the 30 count pads right here. It's priced at $4.67. This is the one I'm gonna try to do the P&G deal with. Okay, so it's priced at $5.67. You're going to scan the code, I assume, for P&G. You'll save $3. You'll pay $2.67. Get back 3 on Ibotta. It'll make that a 33-cent moneymaker. So we're gonna see how this works. All right, so this last deal is on the children's Zyrtec. It's priced at $13.44. For this, you want to grab one of them. Getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on ShopMium, 850 points on My Points, which is $5.34. A lot of you guys asked me what's the conversion for My Points. You divide the points by 159. And so it's gonna make that a $1.90 moneymaker. All right, really quick. So with that Always, that didn't work. Okay, so I had her take it off. And then with the Dawn, coupon scanned perfectly fine. No approval whatsoever. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. So the what was it? The P&G digital didn't work for me. I assume maybe I got the wrong product. But yeah, it didn't work for me. So I had the cashier take that item off. But I'm going to try again, but it does seem pretty easy. So I'll try again in my next haul. And so everything here worked out pretty good though. The coupon that I used today was for the Dawn. I think I inserted a clip of that. It scanned perfectly fine in self-checkout. I know that some of you guys are saying that you've been having issues with the, excuse my little human, please excuse him. Right, Bug? Yeah. And a few of you guys have said that you've had issues with your stores taking printables. I know some stores don't take them anymore. I've still been using them when, you know, when available or when I need to or whatever. And they have been scanning for me perfectly fine. That was the only coupon that I had. Everything else worked out good. I think I did 4 different transactions. That's only because I got the Pedialyte on the wrong transaction. So I had to return it and repurchase it on a separate transaction so I could submit that to Alexa. Otherwise, I would have only had, well, the Starry, I did that on a transaction by itself too. I really didn't have to, but I did because I didn't want to have it on a receipt that was going to be too long. So I kind of low-key would have only had 2 receipts. I'll pop them up. But everything worked out pretty good though as far as this haul. As you can see, I did the Airwick twice. I did it for Walmart Cash as well as Ibotta. And I did the Febreze Walmart Cash and Ibotta. The Clean and Clear was for Walmart Cash because I already did it for Ibotta. And I probably should have did the Colgate for Walmart Cash too, to be honest. So if it's still there tomorrow, I'll probably do it again and then I'll throw that on my next haul. I haven't heard back on the Starry yet, so I'm not sure if that 2 liter is going to work. And I think that's basically it, you guys. So everything you see here retails what? $91.49. Again, $3 printable. Brought that out of pocket down to $88.49. I got back $29.05 from Ibotta. Inbox dollars was $24.75. ShopMium is $19. Alexa is $16.50. My Points was $15.50. Walmart Cash $11.80. Fetch Reward was $1.80. And last but not least was Starry for $1.68. That's if it goes through, you guys. I'm not sure if it will. So I'll let you guys know by way of pinned comment how that plays out. But again, if it doesn't work, then, you know, I'll just go and buy the 20 ounce. And so other than that, we walk away with a total of $120.08 in rebates, making everything you see here free plus a $31.59 moneymaker, which is awesome sauce. And then my tax was $6.60. So after tax, we still make $24.99, which is definitely not bad, considering this is a pretty small haul. There's a couple items, y'all, I know I totally could have did without, like, considering I did not hit the bonus. I think I only did like 12 offers. I wasn't trying to be extra. Let me just say that. I wasn't trying to. I could have did without the Cheeto mac cheese. I could have did without, what else? That dog food right there. But I figured overall it was going to be a moneymaker, so I just kept those in. And so other than that, you guys, our emoji. Josiah, what's your emoji bug? A dog and a cat. Yeah, I be having to let him know before in advance so he can kind of think about it and so he can be ready, because sometimes he be in there like pondering what he want. Huh? And also the next video is the same emoji, but it was walking. A walking dog and a walking cat in the next in the next video? Yeah. Let's just focus on this one, babe, right now, okay? So if you got to this point in the video, Josiah's emoji for y'all is a dog and a cat emoji. And other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have an amazing day night whenever you're watching where I'm watching from. And I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.